CSR is a sector of the economy. We are a pillar on which our nation rests. Such is the power of CSR. I congratulate Vishwa Yuva Kendra for this extraordinary achievement in bringing together what they have rightly titled as Ahwan. My biggest fear that CSR would fail would be in what? Would be in the concept that civil society and corporate India could come together. When your ship is adrift in the ocean without navigational instruments, what goes through your mind? And you are going to experiment not with yourself, not with your family, not with your own children. You are experimenting with a nation. एक पूरे देश को आप एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल पाथ में अग्रसर कर रहे हो. आप सोचो कितनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी. But thanks to people like Dr. Rajesh Tandon, Amod Kant ji और आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक बधाई. 3.3 million registered NGOs in this country. Single nation with the largest NGO population. More than double the number of the second largest nation of NGOs, Bangladesh. We are a testimony of what civil service organizations can actually achieve. It is in the power and the passion that civil society organizations bring that the strength of our nation lies. CSR का जो जर्नी है वो आज के दिन हम कह सकते हैं कि कितना सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है. आंकड़े क्या बताते हैं? 8,000 करोड़, 9,000 कंपनियां, 2014 के आंकड़े. 31 मार्च 2024 के आंकड़े क्या हैं? वही 8,000 कंपनी आज 28,000 कंपनी. That 9,000 crores of spend has become 36,000 crores. CSR is a sector of the economy. We are a pillar on which our nation rests, and the trajectory of India's development is determined. Such is the power of CSR. The nation will demand answers from us. Where has this money gone? What have we done with it? At the end of the day, these may be the profits of corporates, but they are a national resource. What is the result that we have achieved? At the end of the day, we are all answerable. And that will happen if we can say we have conducted third-party social impact assessments, which tell us what has gone well and what has not gone well. We will only learn from experience. We will learn from failure as much as we will learn from success. And it is in that approach of questioning ourselves that we will find where the true answers lie. इतना कहकर आप सबों को धन्यवाद देते हुए और खासकर विश्व युवा केंद्र को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देते हुए जैसे आपने कहा मेरी वाणी पे विराम देता हूँ.